Assalamu alaikum, I am Alina, and you are watching ARY News. Here are today's news updates.
Italy has suspended its defense agreement with Israel, which involves the exchange of military equipment and technology research. Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni and diplomatic sources said Tuesday. In view of the current situation, the government has decided to suspend the automatic renewal of the defense agreement with Israel. Meloni said on the sidelines of an event in Verona, according to Italian news agencies. Europe could start seeing physical shortages of jet fuel by June due to the Iran war if the region is only able to replace half of the fuel supplies it normally gets from the Middle East, the International Energy Agency said in its monthly report. Pakistan has taken a major step towards strengthening its digital economy as Alibaba Group receives regulatory approval to operate in the country's financial services sector, ARY News reported. The Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan has granted a license to Alibaba's subsidiary, Cocotech, to operate as a non-banking finance company. This development marks Alibaba's formal entry into Pakistan's growing fintech landscape. A third Iran-linked tanker was entering the Gulf via the Strait of Hormuz on Tuesday, on the first full day of the US blockade on vessels calling at Iranian ports, shipping data showed. US President Donald Trump announced the blockade on Sunday after weekend peace talks in Islamabad between the US and Iran failed to reach a deal. Saudi Arabia has banned all expatriates from entering Makkah without an official permit, effective Monday, April 13th, the Interior Ministry said in a statement. According to the Saudi Gazette, the decision is part of a broader set of arrangements and regulations for this year's Hajj season, aimed at ensuring the safety of pilgrims and facilitating the smooth performance of rituals under the slogan, "No Hajj without a permit."
That's all for now. For more updates, visit arynews.tv. Thank you for watching ARY News.